Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to teach you how to make a basic two-wheel robot. This video is for the beginners who do not have any prior knowledge of Arduino and robotics. So let's start the video. This is the basic DIY kit, robotic kit. The buy link I will give in the description. This is a power bank to supply the power. This is the Arduino Uno, will be acting as a brain of the robot. This is L293D motor driver shield, and we require some jumpers and a screwdriver. So this is the robotic kit where it comes with the two wheels, the motors. This motor can be operated at 1.5 volt to 5 volt, battery holder, cluster wheels and some screw sets also it come with us. So these are the components we get with the basic kits, and these are the connector where you have to solder it for take out the connections. This is a basic platform where we are going to install. This is called the cluster wheel. These are the bracket. There should be total 4 brackets in the kit. And this is actually the all kits available with us. So this is all the kit. This is the basic chassis, DC motor, two wheels, Arduino boards, L293D circuit, connectors, etc. This is the cluster wheel. These are the speed encoder. It is required to find out the speed, but here we do not require this. We are not going to use this speed encoder circuit. Some screwdrivers, screw sets, screw and nut sets. Now let's start the assembling. First we take these brackets, we insert the screws inside this and hold it properly and insert in the motor inside in this direction. Now in the chassis we have to fit it. First insert the first bracket and the motor which already earlier we set, we keep it like that. The bracket should be fixed in such a way. The screw should come from outside. Now here you have to put the nuts to fix the motor in the proper position. So now we are fixing the motor. So by this way one side motor connection will be over. Same way we have to repeat for the other motor also. This screwdriver can be used to tighten it up. Hold the motor in both sides, so should not misplace somewhere, and then tighten it up. Now you can see the first motor is fixed. Same way we have to fix the second motor also. Same procedure will be repeated to fix the second motor in this position of the chassis. So same way the second bracket should be inserted inside, and we have to fix it with the screws. After that, we need to solder the 2 points of the both the motors. So both the motors has been set. Here we need to solder the point to take out the connections from the motor. So we have already soldered the connections. So we have 2 pair of wires coming from both the motors. Now to put the cluster wheel, this is a cluster wheel. You have to put it here. It has some structure. You can see there are 4 screw direction you have to maintain. You have to keep it, adjust the position the cluster wheel so that all the screw point is visible from all the directions. So here you have to first put this kind of small gutka in the cluster wheel, so it will give you some heights to the cluster wheel. With the small screws available, you have to tighten it up. So like that, all the 4 gutka need to be connect. Here this is a plus minus screwdriver. You can just interchange the position of the screwdriver. Now it is in plus position. So now we are connecting the other gutka also. So 4 gutka already connected. Now you have to put to the chassis. Now we have to position the cluster wheel properly in the chassis. Once we position the cluster in the chassis, then we just reverse the kit and put the screws proper position. Here we are not using the speed encoder, so we are skipping the steps. This is the Arduino board. Here we will be using basically 4 pins as output pins to drive the motors. Here we are going to use this Arduino motor and motor driver circuit L293D. This is the motor driver circuit. Here basically pin number 2 should be connected to Arduino to the IN1. Pin number 3 of the Arduino should be connected to IN2, so on up to pin number 5 to Arduino to the IN4. You may connect or use different pins also, but here I have used the pin number 2, 3, 4, 5. And this is the L293D IC. So as you can see, here we have the A plus A minus where we should connect to the one motor, and B plus B minus should be connected to the wire of the other motor. This is the output terminal. So once you connect it, now we can see the shaft of the motor. Here that some rectangular shape. In wheel also there is a rectangular shape. This both the rectangular shape should be mixed, should be matched. Hold the motor in both the direction, otherwise there is chance of breaking the bracket. So hold like that your thumb finger with your thumb finger and just press. There will be a tick sound, so it will be fixed. So like that we can fix the other motors also. So both the motor you need to fix such a way. So as you see, both the motor has been fixed. Now time to place the Arduino board and motor driver shield. So let's see the connection. Pin number 2 of the Arduino should go to the IN1 of L293D. Pin number 3 should go to the IN2. Pin number 4 to the IN3 and pin number 5 to the IN4 of the L293D circuit. And VCC should go to the plus 5 volt and ground to the ground. And here you have a plus a minus b plus b minus. A plus a minus should be connected to the motor 1 and b plus b minus should be connected to the motor 2. This is the view of the L293D. Here you have to loose the screws by the screwdriver, then only you can insert the wires. Here we will be connecting the motor connections. You just insert the wire in this way of individual motors and you have to screw it up. You have to tighten the screw so that it should not remove from the particular position. Same way we can take out the wires from the back side of the motor. So now we will connect the B plus B minus to the other motor. We take out the wires from the second motors from the bottom and we put to the B plus and B minus. So now second motor connection also over with the L293D board. Now we are going to connect or interface Arduino board with the motor driver L293D circuit. Here we have taken 4 jumper wire male to female and these 4 jumpers wire male side we are connecting to pin number 2, 3, 4 and 5 such a way that pin number 2 should go to the IN1 of the L293D, pin number 3 will go to the IN2 of the L293D, pin number 4 will go to the IN3 and pin number 5 will connect to the IN4 of the L293D circuit. Now you can see we can connect it. Now our physical connection with the Arduino board to the L293D over. Now only VCC ground is remaining. So now finally you can see the connection between the Arduino and L293D circuit. Pin number 2 is connected to IN1, pin number 3 is IN2, pin number 4 is IN4 and pin number 5 is IN4. Now we connect the V in of the L293D and ground. So ground of the L293D should be connected to the ground terminal of the Arduino board. And V in of the L293D is connected to the plus 5 volt of the Arduino. Sorry, V in of the Arduino. V in of the L293D will be connected to the V in of the Arduino. Now VCC is connected to the plus 5 volt. VCC is connected to the plus 5 volt of the Arduino. Now you can see the physical connection or wiring also over for our board. Now we will connect the USB port of the Arduino to the laptop connection for programming purpose, and we do the programming now. So now we are in the Arduino terminal. So first we assigned pin number 2, 3, 4, 5 as output pin because they will give supply to the motors. So we have assigned pin number 2, 3, 4, 5 of Arduino as a output pin. You can assign any other pin also if you are using the other pins. Next we write the main loop of the program. So from here a program will start, and at the end here the program will be ending. So now you can see the first thing we need to do is that, so now if we have to rotate the motor, so we have to apply some signal to the motors. So when we apply, for example, we have written digital high, digital right, pin number 2 high, pin number 3 low. Though motor 1 is connected to pin number 2 and pin number 3, so when you write high and low, so it will be plus and minus, so it will rotate the motor or it will go forward. Same way when you write the phone number 4 high and 5 low, that time the motor 2 will rotate forward direction. So in this way when you write high low, the motor or the robot will go forward for 2 seconds because we have given a delay of 2 seconds. So this 4 or 5 instruction will move the robot to forward direction for 2 seconds. Now if you dump only this much program and let's see what happened. Here both the motor should rotate in clockwise direction and robot should go forward. Now let's see it is going to happen or not. We need to select the proper port for the Arduino board. We have selected the proper port and then we verify and dump the program. So once you dump the program, now see whether robot is working as per our expectation or not. Now you can see both the motor rotating clockwise direction because we have only given one instruction, high low for motor 1, another high low for motor 2. So both the motor rotating in the clockwise direction. So next edit the video. Okay, now let's go to the next phase of the program. Now we are going to take a turn. If you want to take a turn, then one motor should rotate a clockwise direction, another motor anti-clockwise. So for first motor rotating clockwise we have given high low, and second motor for anti-clockwise we have given low and high, and the turning time we have given as a 500 millisecond. Now after taking a turn, again we give an instruction to the robot to go forward. So forward the same instruction, high low and high low. So this pin number 2 3 high low and 4 5 high low will again take the motor forward for another 1 second. And to stop the motor, either we can make both the points pin number 2 and 3 high or low. The same potential resulting in no current flowing through the motor, so motor will be stopped. So we give an instruction for stopping the motor. Now you just write a instruction that is called all high or all low. In this case motor will stop for 2 seconds and we have given 2 seconds delay, so that means motor will stop for 2 seconds. So till now whatever program we have written, it will move the robot for forward for 2 seconds. You will take a turn for 0.5 second and then it will go again forward for 1 second and another 2 second for stop. So let's now write the program and dump the program in the kit, and we will see whether it is working as per expectation or not. So this is the for forward direction instruction, this is for turning instructions, this is for again forward instruction, and fourth one is the stop instructions. So in this way, in different combination, you can write the program and you can tune your robot in different way. So a program will start from here. So let's dump the program. We have dumped the program now. Now we have dumped the program. You see is going forward, taking turn, stop for 2 seconds, going forward, taking turn, again going forward, and then stop for 2 seconds. It is working. So you can see it is going forward. First it will go forward, taking turn, then again forward once again, then stop. So in this way you can make the basic robots. So thank you for watching. Hope you have enjoyed the video.